In Letterland today, we're going to learn about a new prefix. This is something you add to the beginning of the word to change its meaning. So the prefix we're going to learn today is in. The keyword is inside, meaning in, toward, into. So how does this keyword help you remember the meaning of this prefix? So look at the picture. You are in something. This one's going in the box and not out. Can you relate these words to the prefix meaning? When I say inhale, here, you're breathing in. We're going to learn about this vocabulary word. Inflate, you're putting air in something. So we're going to go over some words with this new prefix. So our vocabulary words this week are included, inhale, inspired, inflate, infer. Included. Have you heard of the phrase batteries included? What does that mean? It means that they are in the box. So if something or someone is included, it is in. It's part of the whole thing. It comes with it, or you are all together. Included. Inhale. Breathe in. You just inhaled. That's what it means. Breathe in. When you breathe out, you exhale. Inhale. Inspired. If someone or something inspires you to do something, it means that they made you really want to do it. Maybe they played the piano and it made you want to do it. It is usually something special and maybe a little bit difficult. What other things might a person be inspired to do? Have you ever been inspired by someone to try something new? Inspired. Inflate. If you blow up a balloon, you inflate it. You put air in it. What else do people inflate? Inflate is you putting air in a thing. Maybe you said a float. If you go to the pool, you put air in a float. Good. Infer. We use this a lot in our classroom. Infer. Infer means you take information and use it to figure out something that nobody told you. If you see a garbage can turned over and you see raccoon tracks in the mud, what would you infer? Would you think that the raccoon knocked the garbage can over and got it out? If you guess that, that's probably a really great prediction. You looked around the scene and you used your clues to figure out what it was. Just like when you're reading a text, you look for clues in the text to help you find out what they mean, even if it doesn't come out and tell you. Infer. So today we're going to do a passage and you're going to underline the words that are on your spelling list, and you're going to use these words on the side to put in the blank, your vocabulary words. So I'll read it to you and then we'll go over the answers tomorrow to see if you get it correct. So it's called Just Breathe by Austin. If you are reading this, I know something about you. I know that you are alive, and I can blank that you are breathing. You are breathing, right? Breathing is what my report is about. I have asthma, so I talked with my doctor about breathing. Some doctors might think that it is rude for a kid to ask so many questions. My doctor didn't mind at all. He said he was impressed with my questions. He invited me to come back anytime. I have blank in my report. What I learned from my doctor and from reading. Each of our 2 lungs is a bunch of little air sacs connected by tubes that look like tree branches. We have about 600 million air sacs. The air sacs must be tiny. If not, the whole lot would not fit in our chest. When you blank or breathe in, your lungs start to fill in with fresh air. They blank like a balloon. Then when you breathe out the stale air, your lungs and air sacs get smaller and more closed. I got excited learning about lungs. It blanked me to count my own breaths. I breathe about 20 times per minute. As you get older, your breathing rate goes down. Babies breathe 30 to 40 times, while adults may only breathe 12 times per minute. If someone answers the telephone breathing quickly, what would you infer from that? They must have been running. Our breathing rate increases to provide more oxygen to our muscles when we are active. Okay, please do your best